Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make horse cookies. This recipe is mine. It's called Barn Cookies for Horses, and there's just some simple ingredients for them that are all safe for the horses. Oats, flour, molasses, water, apples, and carrots. Preheat your oven to 350 and let's get started. Combine 2 cups oats, 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup water, and a 1/2 cup of molasses. Drop rounded spoonfuls onto an ungreased cookie sheet and bake for about 15 minutes at 350. Okay, it's a cold and muddy and blustery day, and the horses are quite dirty. Please forgive me for that, but let's try these cookies. Let's see if they want a cookie. You guys want a cookie? Well, Atticus does. Hi. Good boy. He loves it. He loves it. Your turn, Jorah. Your turn. Would you like a cookie, sweetheart? I think they like them.